Hello, welcome back to my Decluttered Kids series. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to share with you what has changed for me as a mom personally since becoming more minimal and decluttering our lives, especially everything to do with my kids. I have my list here. I have so many things that have changed since decluttering all the items that have to do with my kids, and so much has changed, and for me it's all been very positive, and I just want to share that with you guys, and hopefully that will inspire you to possibly live a more simplified life, or maybe it will inspire you to get decluttering. So let's get started. The first thing that changed once I had decluttered everything, toys and clothes, is I found I had so much extra time on my hands. I guess I was spending a lot of my time organizing stuff and moving things from here to there, and once I decluttered all those unnecessary items, I just found I had a lot more time. And what I did with that time, well, I started this channel, and I also have just found myself able to get a lot more creative. I guess as a creative person, when I have a lot of things that are in my way, either in my vision or maybe in my head that I feel I need to do, I just can't get creative. So that was one thing that really changed for me. I was able to get so much more creative once I decluttered all of these items. If you follow my channel, you'll know that I've put pretty much everyone in our family on a capsule wardrobe, including myself. And for my kids, this is so important. Instead of having 30 shirts to choose from, they probably have about 10 to 15, depending on if they're growing into something. And this just cuts down on the amount of laundry. Less folding and putting away, less organizing. I'm also not having to do as many loads of laundry because I can combine more things together. So I can put my clothes with my husband's clothes, and I can put the kids' clothes all in one load rather than having to separate everything out. I've mentioned this many times before, but by decluttering, we were able to go from the kids each having their own bedroom to letting them share a bedroom. And both my children are young, so I know this could change in the future, but this has allowed us to have a whole extra bedroom that we did not have before. Just by decluttering, we have all that extra space, and that room has become our office and guest room. I now find it easier to play with my kids. Before, I used to always think, oh, don't take too many items out. But now I know even if every single thing is pulled out in their room, dumped out, it really does not take that much time to put it all back. And we've separated everything into different bins. So, you know, like items together, the cars with the cars, Lego with the Lego. And that has just simplified everything because they can clean up after themselves. And I just know without having as many toys as we used to have, it's very simple and easy and quick. I don't have to spend hours cleaning and sorting. It's just maybe a 10-minute cleanup, and that's if everything has been pulled out. One big thing that has changed is the way I think about birthdays and Christmas, Easter. I used to feel every single holiday needed a big giant gift celebration. Every Easter we would do a huge basket full of not just candy but toys, all kinds of stuff. And now this last Easter, just a month ago, I did not even do Easter baskets. I know that sounds terrible, but my kids did not even notice. And they're young, so it's not like I'm taking something away that they used to know about. But if I stop it now, I don't have to take it away in the future. And honestly, they did not even realize that they weren't getting a big Easter basket full of stuff. We did do an Easter egg hunt, and I filled the eggs with these little chewies that aren't really candy, but they still think of them as candy because they're little. But they had fun, and we did the hunt, but we did not do a big basket. And that was one huge thing that has changed for me. I just realized I don't need to be giving them 100 gifts for Christmas. They're just as happy with the few gifts that they get. And then for birthdays, we've gone to doing more of an experience type gift rather than a bunch of stuff. In general, I feel way more relaxed and less overwhelmed when it comes to cleaning their room or even having to get out the door. I don't feel as if I need to be spending a ton of time organizing things and putting it away before we leave. I'm also just trying to set the example for my children that more does not always mean better, and that we can have just as much fun on holidays and birthdays without having to have a whole bunch of stuff. Make sure you click right here to see the next video in my series, and you can click right here to see the playlist of the Decluttered Kids series. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.